Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk on the venous drainage of the heart. So let us begin. Okay, now let us discuss about the venous drainage. Now 60% of the venous blood which is draining into the right atrium via coronary sinus. So you can see here this is a coronary sinus, and 40% of the blood which is draining into the different chambers through the vena cavae minimi and the anterior cardiac vein. Now let us talk about the coronary sinus. Now the coronary sinus, it is about, you can see here, this is a coronary sinus which is about 2 to 3 centimeter long, and this receives the 60% of the venous blood, and it begins in the left part of a atrioventricular groove. So it receives the greater cardiac vein. Now here then it passes downward and right along the posterior atrioventricular groove, and this is accompanied by the left coronary artery. Now sinus ends in the right atrium. Sinus ends in the right atrium. So this in the right atrium, it opens in between the inferior vena cava and the atrioventricular orifice. So this coronary sinus, it is guarded by the semilunar wall. Now let us see what are its tributaries. The tributaries of the coronary sinus is one is the great cardiac vein, which begins at the apex of the heart and the anterior interventricular groove. So this is anterior interventricular groove. So you can see here, this is the great cardiac vein. So here you can see this is the great cardiac vein. Now next, the middle cardiac vein, that is from the apex along the posterior. Here you can see this is the posterior interventricular groove, and this middle cardiac vein runs along the apex and then to the posterior interventricular groove, and then it terminates at the end of ends with the coronary sinus here. Also there are small cardiac veins in between the atrioventricular groove. So they are called as a small cardiac vein. So what are the tributaries? One is great cardiac vein, middle cardiac vein, as well as the small cardiac vein. So these are the tributaries, as well as there are number of posterior vein of the left ventricle which is draining into the inferior surface of the left ventricle. We also have some oblique vein and of the left atrium which drains into the posterior surface of the left atrium. So that is about the venous drainage of the heart. The most common cause of death across the world is due to the ischemic heart disease. That's because of the occlusion of the blood vessels of arterial or venous drainage of the heart. So these vessels of the heart. So that's why it's very important to know the different courses as well as the supply and the branches of the arteries which are supplying to the heart. Thank you one and all.